Assalamu alaikum dear students. The article of this video is discussing the growth of a bacteria. I will illustrate out the growth cycle of a bacteria through a graphical presentation. I will describe you the major phases of the growth cycle of a bacteria. So let's start. Growth of a bacteria. The growth process of a bacteria occurs through a special type of the growth process, that is binary fissions. So bacteria reproduce by binary fissions. It is a process by which one parent cell divides to form two daughter cells. Because one cell gives rise to the two phylogeny cells, bacteria are said to undergo exponential growth. It is also called the logarithmic growth. The concept of the exponential growth can be illustrated as when there is one number of generations, the two daughter cells are produced. And when there are two number of the cells that undergo through binary fissions, there will be the four number of the phylogeny cells that are produced by the binary fission process. Thus, a bacterium will produce 16 bacteria after the 4 generations occurs. The exponential growth and the short doubling time of the some organisms result in the rapid production of very large number of bacteria. So this is the introductory growth cycle of the bacteria. Now moving toward the growth cycle of a bacteria through a graphical presentations. Here I have made a graph that shows the growth cycle of a bacteria including its 4 major phases. The growth cycle of a bacteria has 4 major phases. If a small number of bacteria are inoculated into a liquid nutrient medium and the bacteria are counted at different intervals, a typical phases of a standard growth curve can be demonstrated through this curve. So these are the phases of the growth cycle of a bacteria. Growth cycle of a bacteria has 4 major phases: the lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, and the death or decline phase. Now explaining one by one about these phases of the growth cycle of a bacteria. First, coming to the first phase of the growth cycle of a bacteria, that is lag phase. Whenever a bacterial cell undergoes the cell divisions, the first phase that bacteria passes through its growth cycle is the lag phase. So it is the first phase of the growth cycle of a bacterial cell during which vigorous metabolic activities occurs, but there is no cell divisions occurs. This is the phase where the products are made that are necessary for the divisions of the bacterial cells. This phase lasts for a few minutes up to many hours. After the lag phase, then there is log phase. The logarithmic phase can also be called log phase. This logarithmic phase is when rapid cell divisions occurs. Many antibiotics are most efficacious during this active growth phase of the growth cycle of bacteria because they act by disrupting the biosynthetic processes carried out by the bacterial cell during this active growth cycle. So when they are dividing, the antibiotics can act to any synthetic process of this bacteria. The second phase is the log phase. This is the log phase. Log phase is also known as exponential phase because during this phase the bacterial cells are undergo the cell divisions. Third one is the stationary phase. As the name indicates, it is the phase of the growth cycle of a bacteria when there is the growth is runs downward or there is slow growth. Stationary phase occurs when nutrients depletion or toxic products causes the growth to slow until a number of new cells produce. And due to the deficiency of nutrients, there is a result of steady state growth cycle. So in this phase there is slow growth. It is clinically important to consider that During the experimental process, the cells grown in a special apparatus called the chemostat, into which fresh nutrients are added and from which waste products are removed out continuously. In this case, it can remain in the log phase and do not enter the stationary phase. Then the final phase or the decline phase. This is the last terminating phase of the growth cycle of bacteria. The final phase is the death phase, which is marked by the decline in the number of viable bacteria. So there is the decreases or death of the bacteria is high as compared to the cell divisions or new productions of the bacterial cell. So this is the death phase of the bacteria. And this curve line that you are seeing on your screen, this shows the growth curve of the bacteria and along with the different phases time of the growth cycle of bacteria.